Emotional trading is quietly killing and destroying your account. You are not losing money because of the market. You are losing because of how you feel. You don't even realize it's happening. Emotional trading is a silent account killer. It does not wipe your account in one day. It slowly bleeds it until you are frustrated, confused, and blaming the market. If you have ever closed a trade early, you enter a trade out of fear of losing out, or even revenge trading after a loss, this video is for you. Stay with me because one mistake here ruins everything else. I am Mr. Joshua. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I teach traders how to trade the smart way. Let me describe most traders to you. Most traders, you see a setup, your plan say wait, but your emotion says enter. Price move a little against you, and then boom, you panic. You close so early, then price goes exactly where you expected. Now this is a live trade I'm showing you. Now if price peradventure now begin to go the opposite direction by buying, I'm not going to close. Why? Because my strategy is showing me that I am supposed to sell. Now next trade, you increase your lot size. You want to make back money that you have lost. That is not trading. That's emotion in disguise as a strategy. Now here is the truth nobody wants you to hear. Most traders don't lose because their strategy is bad. They lose because emotion hijack their decisions. Fear make you exit early from the market. You don't just trust your setup. You don't just trust your analysis. You just want peace of mind, and that is not for traders. And every time you close early, you train yourself to be inconsistent. Anytime you close your trade early, you're actually training yourself to become inconsistent. That's the truth about it. The next thing that affects traders is greed. When you want to make it at once, when you don't want to follow procedures, you want to make all the money today. Greed is worse. Now greed makes you over leverage. Greed makes you to break rules after a win. Greed is very powerful, very destructive. It makes you to over leverage by putting many positions, by going into many positions, and also breaking your rules. Now you can have a rule that says that if I win 3 trades in a day, I'm going to rest. But because you want to make more money, greed is so much, you will enter the market and lose everything. One good trade makes you feel invisible. The market then humble you fast because of what? Of greed. The third thing, that can affect a trader is what we call revenge. Now, revenge trading is emotional trading at its peak. You are no longer trading the chart, you are trading your ego. Now, the market does not know you are angry. It does not know. In fact, even if the market knows, it does not care. Now, you need to mind the way you enter the market. Revenge trading is never an option. Listen carefully. If you don't fix what I'm about to say next, everything you have learned thus far in this video will actually fail you. Now, why emotions actually exist in trading? Now, emotions does not just come from the market. Please know that emotion does not come from the market. They actually come from uncertainty. You are not sure of the direction. You are not sure if you are going to close this trade in profit. You are not sure. You're not sure if a news will happen or something will happen that will lead to you losing your trade. When you don't have clear rules for entry, clear rules for risk management, clear rules for your exit, that is where you have uncertainty. Now your emotions fill the gap because you are a human being, so you must have what? You must have emotion. So how do you now handle these emotions that we're talking about? How can you handle these emotions? The first one is that professional traders don't try to control emotions. They don't try to control their emotions. They move based on the decision of their strategy. They remove decision making from their emotions. They trade their plan. They trade their rule. They trade the system. Anything apart from that, you will not hear or see them executing any trade. Now, rules do what emotions cannot do. They keep you consistent. When you fix a rule, you can never go against the market, and the market will definitely move in your favor. If you want to kill emotion trading, you need to start from this place. The first thing is that you need to have one setup, one risk percentage, one execution rule. You must have a consistent setup that you are trading. Just like me, there are consistent setup that I'm trading. I don't trade all the setups. If you can go through my trading, my chart, you know that I don't trade everything. I have one setup that I always look for, and when I see them, I kill the market. And this is one of the particular setup that I have, which you are seeing it on my screen. And you need to have percentage of your risks. You need to know the percentage that you're going to lose if peradventure the market is going against you. You have to have a percentage, a stable, constant percentage. If you are losing 1%, fine. If you are losing 2%, fine. If you are losing 3%, fine. But there should be a percentage, and then there should be one execution rule. That means your entry and your exit rule. There must be one entry and exit rule, and this is no exemption. Now, consistency comes from discipline and not motivation. It comes from discipline and not motivation. I know that this video have impacted you a lot. Now, tell me honestly, which emotions hurt your trading the more? Fear, greed, or revenge? Now, put it at the comment section and I will be there to reply you. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Have a great day. I remain Mr. Joshua, that help traders how to trade the smart way. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information.